In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image vertically in Canva. Flipping an image vertically is a simple way to create a mirror effect from top to bottom. This can be really useful for design balance, creative photo edits, or matching a layout you already have in mind. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you have a design open that already contains an image you want to work with. Once your design is open, look at the canvas area in the middle of your screen. Find the image you want to flip, then click directly on that image. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or handles appear around it. If you accidentally click on the background or another element, just click again carefully on the image itself to highlight it. With the image selected, look toward the top of your screen, just above the design area. You should see a toolbar with different options such as crop, edit image, and others. Among these options, find the one labeled Flip. This is the tool that controls how your image can be mirrored or rotated. Go ahead and click on the Flip button. When you do this, Canva will open a small menu that shows you flipping options. In that Flip menu, you'll see choices for flipping horizontally or vertically. Since we want to flip the image vertically, choose the option that says Flip Vertically. Click on that and you'll instantly see your image turn upside down, as if it were mirrored along a horizontal line through the center. This is great for creative reflections, upside down compositions, or simply adjusting the orientation of your photo. Take a moment to check how it looks in your overall design. If you change your mind, you can always press undo or repeat the same steps to flip it back. Remember, the key actions are: select the image, click the flip button at the top, and then choose flip vertically. That's all there is to it. You now know how to flip an image vertically in Canva quickly and confidently, so you can keep experimenting with layouts and visual effects in your designs.